Hey, I'm Troubleshoot. In this quick guide, I'll be showing you when a tree falls for Artisan. In this, we need to search the sawmill and uncover what happened. Let's go. You basically need to head all the way up to the sawmill on the far west side of the map here. And when you zoom into it, you'll need to go to pretty much this location over here. That should plus minus be where it is, but you'll see in just a moment when I'm on top of it. About 345 to the lookout that we were at previously, and we should be able to clear out the area. I've got a variable scope here, which we can zoom in and out simply by scrolling. Unfortunately, scopes do currently drop frames quite a bit, but I definitely recommend bringing a scoped weapon when we come here. Okay, so I'm on top of the hill here. We can already look down and maybe start clearing things out from where we are. Alright, so already with the 4x scope, we've cleared out quite a bit. There's about 5 or 6 people we got rid of, which is definitely not all of them, but it should help later on when we push down. So for now, we'll head pretty much towards these log piles. I think it's maybe this one over here. Yep, it should probably be this one. Anyways, we'll slowly make our way down. Of course, clearing out as we go. There will of course be enemies right down here where we are going as well. So we'll make our way down here to the sawmill, across the river, and just to the north over here, we should find what we're looking for. Right over here, next to this container, right over here, zooming in, exactly where I marked, is this little spot on the ground here. We'll confirm identity, and there we go, task is completed. Now we should head back to spawn. When you get back to the base, either the fast or the slow way, you'll be able to hand in the quest when a tree falls, so we'll complete it, and there we go. Sweet. So, thank you for watching, my name's been Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.